Step 3. Handlebar post installation. Slide the upper protective cover key onto the handlebar post B1 and remove the twist ties from the two upper hand pulse cables B4 and the computer cables B5. Then remove the twist tie from the two lower hand pulse cables D16 and lower computer cable D14. Then connect these cables and insert the handlebar post B1 into the mainframe D1. Then attach it using 4 Allen bolts in 6, 4 spring washers in 3, and 4 flat washers in 4. Then tighten the bolts using the 6mm Allen wrench with Phillips screwdriver provided. Then carefully slide the upper protective cover P down and into position on the mainframe D1.